Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we have an excited offer for all you saree lovers out there. Introducing the Georgette Fabric saree with a stunning Banarasi border, and the best part, it's priced at just 590 rupees. This saree is a perfect blend of elegance and effortlessly stylish. The soft, lightweight, and most Georgette fabric gives it a graceful drape and making you look effortlessly styled. And the intricate Banarsi border add a touch of timeless beauty to this saree. Whether you are attending a wedding or festive occasion, this saree is sure to make head turn. Its rich and vibrant color will make you stand out in a crowd, and the high quality fabric ensures comfort and throughout the day. But wait, there's more. We have a wide range of color option available, so you can choose the one that suit your personal style the best. From classic reds and blues to trendy pink and purple, we have something for everyone. Pair this saree with some statement jewelry and a stylish blouse, and you are all set to make a fashion statement. And the best part, you don't have to break the bank to look fabulous with this saree. So guys, why are you waiting for? Hurry up and grab this amazing deal of a Moose Georgette fabric saree with a Banarsi border, price at just 590 rupees. Don't miss out on this opportunity to add a touch of elegance to your wardrobe. Thank you for watching guys our video, and if you enjoy this and want to see more amazing deals and fashion trend, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit button and stay tuned for more. And guys, if you want to purchase this saree, then I'll share link is in description box. You can check it out. Till then, bye, take care, and thank you for watching my video.